Hey loves, today we are about to be cooking some Philly cheesesteak. Yes, baby, you about to fall. You okay? Why you got lipstick all over your forehead, your chin, your girl? Hold on, baby. No, I don't want no. Thank you, baby. Just stay over there for a second. This stove is right here. It's on, okay? So we are about to be cooking Philly cheesesteak. Homemade. But this is everything I'm going to be using, guys. I was checking for a second. This is the meats that I have right here. This is the steak. I already chop it down. This is it. My hands are clean, guys. I just got done. You can see this is the knife. I just washed my hands. This is the steak I use. I'm just going to make that one for right now. But I bought 2 of this. So later on I can make this. Because, you know, when you make your Philly cheesesteak, you want to be able to eat it right there, you know. So this is it. You can chop yours down like this. Or you can chop them down like this one. Very thin, long like this. But I prefer them like this. Even my kids. Because sometimes when the kids get them like this, it seems like they kind of have a hard time trying to bite it. They're always trying to break it, or they ask me to break it for them. So when I make them at home, I'm going to be cutting these ones down too, but I just left this 4 right here just to show it to you guys. You see how thin they are? But you can cut them down just like this. That's all of it. So I'm going to be cutting those 4. Okay. What's wrong, Jeremiah? Get off that window, guys. Get off that window. Thank you. But we're going to be having it with some French fry, guys. This is the French fry. We're going to be having golden steak fries. As you can see, this is it. We're going to be eating with. And this is everything I'm going to be using. I have the green pepper right here that I chopped down. Red pepper right here. This is onions. And that's yellow pepper. You can cut them down like this, because I know some people like it like that. I do too, but when I have my kids don't like the long skinny pepper or the long big pepper. They prefer the small ones. If they long like this, my kids usually take them out. I guess you know how kids are. But if it was just me, or I'm making it for my friend or family member, I can leave them like this. Because, you know, we don't mind. We like peppers. Like you can see, I left 2 for you guys just to show you guys you can make them like that. I'm going to be chopping them down. It's easy. Matter of fact, let me do it now. All you have to do, just cut it in 3. Yeah, my kids are very funny acting, guys. But this is the cooking oil I'm going to be using right here. Just to fry this a little bit. We don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. And we're going to be using this bread. It's 4 of them, guys. But I think I'm only making 3 for now. This is the pot right here we're going to be using. This is it, guys. It's clean. And what is it, Jeremiah? Get off that window, please. I don't want you guys to break them blinds. I already have to replace some blinds. Okay, guys. We're going to be using salt, onion powder, black pepper. This is optional. You don't have to. And a little bit garlic powder. And this is my little season I have in here. I already blended together. It's just a little bit, you know. But let me go ahead and put a little bit cooking oil over here, guys. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay, guys. We're just going to put a little bit of that, not a whole lot. As you can see, the pot is already ready for us. That's my kids, yo. The pot, I already turned on the oven, so the pot is already hot. It's very hot right now, guys. I think it's going to give it a few minutes. You can tell it's hot. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and put this in this bad boy in. This is my yellow pepper, green pepper, and my red pepper. That's everything going in, guys. Everything going in, guys. That's everything. I almost forgot, guys, but it's okay. You can just cut it and just put it in there. That's it. Nothing extra. Let it go ahead and cook, guys. I love the beautiful colors, and this is optional, guys. You don't have to use yellow pepper or red pepper. You can just use onions, because I know some people that just use onions, but I love my pepper, guys. I love it. Yes, 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 I do. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook, and after that, we're going to do the meats, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and put a little seasoning here. Just a little bit, not much. That's right. You see, that's my little seasoning that I have. So we're going to need a whole lot. And you're going to have just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt, not a whole lot. Not that much. See? As you can see, they like cook. So I'm about to go ahead and do this steak. And then we're going to join everything together and let it finish. Sorry if I'm talking so low, guys. I just woke up not too long ago. I went to my son's school and came home and took a nap. And I tried to edit one of my videos, but I'm having a hard time. It's like I can hear my voice, but you can't see the pictures. You can't see the video. I was like, what's going on? So I have to start all over again. I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do another video real quick. That way, while we eating, I'm going to be uploading that video for today. This video going to go in tomorrow, guys. So your girl is coming. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm about to go ahead and put the steak. I just took the onions out. This is it right here. I took it out. You guys can see. We about to go ahead and season this real quick. Brandon, thank you. My husband distracted me, y'all. He brought me something to drink. Can you give me one of them straws, please? I'm like the kids now. A little bit garlic, y'all. Not a lot, just a little bit. Oh, thank you. A little bit of black pepper. I need a whole lot. And some onion powder, y'all. We're gonna put some onion powder in here, guys. I'm trying to open in my nails. Just a little bit. I know you're looking like, that's a lot, but it's not, honey. And then a little bit seasoning. That's my seasoning, by the way. You gotta season your meats, guys. We about to go ahead and let this finish frying. Then I'm gonna put the pepper and the onions together, guys. So, okay, loves. This steak is like done. I'm about to go ahead and put this vegetable and stuff in. It looks so good, guys. It looks so good. And I just taste the steak, guys. It tastes so good. That's the main thing, guys. You want to make sure you season your meats very good. Even the pepper. Just put a little season on them. But the meats, for sure, you want to make sure that bad boy is seasoned. You want to make sure it's seasoned nice and good. because you don't want to be eating no Philly cheesesteak. It's all plain, you know, just cheese on it, you know. No. You want when somebody bite into it, they're like, ooh, this tastes good. What you put in here? That's why people always ask me, what do I put in my food? What you put in your food? Your food tastes so good. You should open up a restaurant. It tastes very good. Okay, guys. I just turn it down. I'm about to go ahead and do this. And I just realized that Daddy wanted some fries. So guess what? We have a pot right here that I'm about to be using. And I'm about to put some of the bread. Bread's gonna be going in this pan right here. Okay, guys. Okay, loves. This is the bread I just did. We got butter and mayonnaise. I put it in the oven, the bread. So I just took it out and I put the mayonnaise on those. That's it. As you can see, my husband got a plate I do and their kids. And then this is the French fry that I fry. My kids was down here trying to mess with the bread. They can't wait to eat, so they took one of these apart. But it's okay. Don't let that discourage you. It's still going to be good. So, and this is the cheese right here. I would have sprinkled the cheese on there. I use this, guys. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hot. But I got 2 packs, but I only need 1. As you can see. I got 2 packs right here. I use this kind. And this is the one I use for. That's the kids coming downstairs. They're ready to eat, guys. I'm waiting for that to get melt, and then we're gonna put the bread on there. We're gonna put the bread on there and get it together. Hey guys, you guys ready to eat? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Are you sure? Sure? Yeah. You finally took that lipstick off your face? Yeah. Okay. Mama did that. Mama did that. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm waiting for the cheese to melt, guys. I hope you guys can see. Very good. See that? That stuff looks good. This is everything. It's nice and done. It looks good, right? I fixed 4th plate. I got 1 for my husband, 1 for me. And the kids got those. They got 2 plates. They're going to split it. Miracle and Elijah are going to split 1. This I'm going to cut in the middle. And my oldest son has that. So, this is it. Samia, here you go, yours. This is, it look good, guys, don't it? It looks good. Come on, come get your plate. Stand over there so they can see. Mommy, Mommy. Yeah, this is him. He got his plate. Watch out. Okay. Watch out. Watch out. Move. Okay, go get that plate to Daddy. Okay, loves, thank you for watching. I'm about to go ahead and eat. This is my plate. Everybody got their plate. I'm about to get it. But thank you for watching. And this is my drink right here, guys. God bless y'all. Please like this video, share. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Welcome to the family. We love you guys. Bye. And for my old subscriber, thank you guys. God bless you. I'm so tired. Bye, love.